She's an AI patient educator, and we replace her with the doctor. So it's the doctor's face the patients see immediately and makes them like the doctor, trust the doctor, and believe the doctor is an expert. They've bonded with the doctor. They've been educated by the doctor. They end up liking the doctor, and they're primed to say yes to the suggestions of the doctor, the recommendations of the doctor, and have a conversation that's a richer conversation. You don't want patients sitting there for the first time and be like, what is going to happen to cataract surgery, doc? Like, I don't understand. Or I kind of understand it, but like they have all these questions, right? Or they're going to be better prepared. They're going to have come in with questions, right? Written down. So this is they confirm the appointment. What are the options for IOLs? Then after the evaluation, they go home. They want to go think about it, right? And they want to ask their spouse. Well, all of these are going to be in one thread on a text message for them. And then they can also look at this other video. How do I decide which IOL to go with? Okay, so let's suppose the doctor says, you know what, I think light adjustable lens is the one for you. Then the video that will go out to the patient will be the one that says, what is light adjustable lens? So that patient can show his spouse, look, here's my phone. This is what we're talking about is light adjustable lens. Before surgery and after surgery, there's video goes out. So the whole system, what it's intended to do, folks, is to educate the patient about the whole journey with the doctor, and it's from the doctor.